Halloween wedding favor ideas, cheap and easy DIY Halloween wedding favors. If you're looking for a last-minute idea for your Halloween wedding, we have the perfect solution for you. These cheap and easy DIY Halloween wedding favors are an adorable addition to your big day. To make these favors, you'll need some small plastic pumpkins, some black paint, and some candy. First, paint the pumpkins black. Then, fill them with candy. You can use any type of candy you like, but we suggest using candy that is black and orange to match the theme of your wedding. These favors are sure to be a hit with your guests, and they'll love the fact that you went the extra mile to make your Halloween wedding even more special. Black Cat Votive Candles. Black Cat Votive candles are a perfect and easy DIY Halloween wedding favor. Simply purchase some black cat-shaped votive candles and place them on your reception tables. Your guests will love these unique and spooky favors. Mummy wine glasses. If you're looking for some cheap and easy DIY Halloween wedding favors, why not try making your own mummy wine glasses? All you need is some white craft glue, some black acrylic paint, and a few yards of gauze. Start by painting the base of the wine glass with a layer of white glue. Then, wrap the gauze around the glass, starting at the base and working your way up. Make sure to leave some slack in the gauze so that it doesn't pull too tight against the glass. Once you reach the top of the glass, trim off any excess gauze and glue it down. Finally, use your black acrylic paint to give your mummy wine glass eyes and a mouth. Let the paint dry completely before serving up your spooky drinks. Jack-o'-lantern tea light holders. Looking for a Halloween-themed wedding favor that's both cheap and easy to DIY? Look no further than these jack-o'-lantern tea light holders. All you'll need to make them is some orange construction paper, black Sharpies, and clear plastic tea light cups. To start, cut out jack-o'-lantern faces from the orange construction paper. Then, use black Sharpies to draw on the eyes, nose, and mouth. Once you're happy with your jack-o'-lanterns, simply tape them to the outside of the clear plastic tea light cups. Voila! You've got yourself some cute and spooky jack-o'-lantern tea light holders. Halloween candy jars. Halloween candy jars are a fun and easy way to add a bit of spooky fun to your Halloween wedding. They make great favors for guests, and can be used as decorations around the venue. Plus, they're very inexpensive to make. To make your own Halloween candy jars, you'll need glass jars, any size or shape will do. Halloween candy. Ribbon or twine. Labels. Simply fill your glass jars with Halloween candy, and tie on a ribbon or twine. If you want, you can also add labels with the names of the happy couple and the date of the wedding. These favors are sure to be a hit with guests of all ages. Spider web place cards. Beautiful cut spider web and heart place cards. This unique cut paper pattern is cut so that the Gothic spider webs and heart create the pocket that will hold your printed name card. Matching our spider web gatefold wedding invitation. This allows you to make the perfect table setting for that Halloween or Gothic wedding.